Ritchie's Fabulae Faciles, episode 7.4. In the previous episodes, we read, translated, and analyzed down through Inyakit. For this one, we will finish off this reading from Monstrum through Stabat. Let's first review, however. Then the king fixed a certain day and got all things ready. When that day arrived, Andromeda was led down to the shore, and in full view of everyone was chained to a cliff. All were lamenting her fate, nor did they hold back their tears. But suddenly, while they wait for the creature, Perseus runs up, and when he saw the tears, he sought the reason of their sorrow. They explained the whole matter and pointed out the young woman. While these things are happening, a terrible roaring is heard. At the same time, a creature, terrible in appearance, is spotted at a distance. His sighting, eis conspectus, instilled greatest fear in everyone. Now today's portion, Monstrum magna celeritata adolitus contendit, iamque ad locum appropinquabat ubi puella stabat. The creature, monstrum, is neuter, singular, and nominative, because it is the subject of contendit. The creature headed toward the shore, adolitus, and litus is neuter, singular, accusative. It's a third declension noun, accusative as the object of ad. Headed toward the shore, magna celeritate, feminine, singular, and ablative of instrument. Headed toward the shore with great speed, iamque, and now, at this point, it was approaching, appropinquabat, it was coming near to the place, ad locum. Locum is masculine singular and accusative. It's a second declension noun, locus, loci, like so. It's accusative as the object of the preposition ad. And now to the place, it was drawing near. Which place? The place ubi puella stabat, where the young woman was standing. And this is a parenthetical expression. It's subordinated. Stabat is a third singular, imperfect, indicative, active, from the first conjugation verb sto, stare. And appropinquabat, likewise, is third singular, imperfect, indicative, active, from the first conjugation verb appropinquo, appropinquare, also first conjugation.